Okay, yep.
So
And
those
then,
are your oyster mushroom starts.
Yeah, so,
Beautiful.
Oh,
and then here we have the garden giant.
The what?
It's called the garden giant. It's a Sarpo something or another, I don't know the name. But you'll see I have a rake mortar propagated. And it's a primary digester,
Oh, so you're putting some of
so
these.
your growing material is shredded. What kind of
shredded wood chips, and you can see the 90% hardwood logs. So they're compressed, and the beauty about them is when they're compressed, they're sterilized because of the pressure and the heat.
Okay.
So that when you take it out, but
So it's
oyster
ready to inoculate straight away.
But with the oyster
Wow.
mushroom and with the garden giant mushroom, they're very immunologically advanced. So they thrive in bacteria as opposed to. But I have like, look here, I have a lot of garden giant mycelium. So I started off with a fella like in the States called, or in Canada called Stamets.
Yeah, Paul Stamets is the guru.
I bought 2 mushroom kits off of him from Garden Giant, and they were like that size, about a bag, and in a year and a half they've multiplied out. So all of that now is Garden Giant mycelium.
So you leave them out all winter.
Wow, okay.
So what I'm doing with
So
that now is
it
that
thoroughly took over.
thoroughly took over, so that now will end up go and be the seed for in between my beds below and my wood chips. That's why I got the wood chipper. So I'll chip and I've changed all my beds so they're raised, and the pathways in between will be wood chips inoculated with these. And the idea then that my 2-wheel tractor has a rotary plough on it, so I can let these digest in between the beds and break down the wood chip, and then every 2 years I can take my rotary plough and throw it up onto the bed. So I have a raised bed, but this material is phenomenal. The amount of worm activity and stuff inside
Yeah,
in
no
this
joke.
is
That's
brilliant.
brilliant.
So what I hope to
Wow.
do in the spring now is take that mycelium, put it into those bags and sell it to people as starting packs.
Okay.
And would they have the materials to grow it on in the
Well,
pack?
you can use any material, but the thing is what we've done is because I've been training them to this environment and the bacteria, it's like raising bread dough in your fridge.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
they become trained to the challenges they meet, and
Right.
so they're immunologically educated, you could say. So when they don't hit the climatized, yeah. And I put them through the wares, like.
Okay.
In here we have one of the lads I met through the Biodynamic Association in Germany. He gave me a vine, and it's one of the original vines that survived the blight in Europe, through Europe, back in the 19th century. So one of the reasons Siners had his lecture was because the vine and grape
Yeah.
growers were pressuring him, because of there was a wipeout of agriculture at the time, but mainly through the grape growing, because a virus swept through Europe. and
Well,
wiped
there
out
was
most of the
also
grapes.
a grape louse that fed on the roots, and yeah, so the rootstock was susceptible to this particular kind of grape louse that decimated the vineyards.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe it carried a virus or something.
Well,
of that
maybe it
sort.
could have been a louse. All I know is
Yeah.
it was something that wiped them out. I didn't know too
Yeah,
much.
there was
Only that he carried this like all the way from Germany over here.
yeah,
himself,
there was
like.
a name for that I'm not quite recalling at the moment. You know, you remember